Hey guys, I'm Dina from simplyhomecooked.com, and today I'll be showing you how to make this creamy Tuscan chicken pasta. It is currently the most popular recipe on my site, and for a good reason. It's loaded with juicy pieces of chicken tenders, sun-dried tomatoes, and that garlic cream sauce. Oh, it just goes so well with that perfectly cooked penne. We have this dinner on repeat at our house all the time. All right, let me show you how to make it. All right, so the first thing you want to do is lay 2 pounds of chicken tenders on a flat surface, and then you want to go ahead and season it with some salt and pepper, nice and generously. And then you want to flip the chicken over and season the other side with some salt and pepper as well. Now you want to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a large skillet. Bring it up to medium-high heat and then gently place those chicken tenders right into the hot oil. And you want to cook them about 3 minutes per side. Now, if you've ever pan-fried chicken, you already know that it can get pretty messy. So I like to use this splatter screen. It really saves me from a huge greasy mess. And I'll make sure to link down to it in the notes. Once all of your chicken is fully cooked through, you want to go ahead and transfer it into a plate. And then once the chicken is cooled down, you can cut it into tiny little pieces and then just set it aside. Now before we get started on the sauce, you want to take your 8-ounce jar of sun-dried tomatoes and oil, and you want to drain all that oil out. Now I like a little bit of fat in my pasta, but that is just way too much. And make sure to kind of compress it with a fork to really squeeze out all that extra oil. Now bring that same skillet over medium-high heat, then add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And then lightly swirl it around, and then you can go ahead and add 2 minced garlic cloves, along with those sun-dried tomatoes that you just drained. Now grab your spoon and then give it a good thorough mix for about a minute just to soften up those tomatoes. Then add 3 packed cups of baby spinach, and then just gently mix it around until the spinach is wilted. Now pour in 3 cups of heavy cream, along with half a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now gently stir that around until the sauce comes to a simmer. So once the sauce is bubbling beautifully, you want to turn that heat off and then add half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese and slowly and gently mix it in. And if you have an electric cooktop, you actually want to take the pan off of that heat because that high heat will curdle your cheese, and we do not want that to happen. Alright, now that our sauce is pretty much done, you want to cook half a pound of penne pasta and then drain it really well, and then add it right into your sauce, along with that chicken that we cut up earlier. And now all that's left to do is to mix everything around so that every piece of chicken and tender penne pasta are coated in that delicious creamy sauce. Now plate up and enjoy. And there you have it guys, an easy 30-minute chicken pasta dinner that is perfect for busy weeknights or even special occasions. It's that good. So good that I am dying to try this pasta because I am so hungry. And I'm gonna give myself a nice big helping of this pasta. All right, I'm so excited to try this. Oh wait, hold on, I forgot my Parmesan. Gotta add some extra Parmesan on top. Can't go wrong with a little extra cheese. I think that's good enough. Okay, let's try it. Oh. This is like a flavor explosion. So much flavor. And you know why? It's because we make the cream sauce in the fat renderings of the chicken. Oh, what a brilliant idea. This stuff is really so good. It's so warm and comforting. It is guaranteed to please some of the pickiest eaters. My kids love this stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that bell icon when you guys subscribe so you guys get notified every time we come out with a new recipe. See you next time.